Explanation about the most aggressive animals. In nature, animals generally act instinctively. While some animals prefer to flee to defend themselves, others show direct aggression when they perceive a threat. These aggressive behaviors often occur as a reflex response to territory protection, defense of offspring, hunting, or fear. Why are they dangerous? These animals can make sudden and unpredictable attacks, can brutally neutralize their prey, have physical strength or poison that can be deadly to humans, have high defensive instincts, and do not back down. Aggressive animals are important parts of the ecosystem as a balance-keeping element in nature. However, when humans disrupt their nature or intrude into their territory, these animals can combine defense with attack and become deadly. Respecting them and approaching nature consciously can prevent such encounters. Nile crocodile, Crocodilus niloticus. Why aggressive? The Nile crocodile is one of the largest predators in Africa. It is extremely territorial and sees everything near the water as potential prey. It can especially attack creatures that come to drink water, such as humans and cattle. Its average length reaches up to 4 to 5 meters. It is estimated to kill 300 to 500 people every year. When attacking its victim, it grabs it with a sudden and powerful jaw strike, then drags it into the water and drowns it. 2. African elephant. Why are they aggressive? Although generally known as peaceful, when male elephants enter the musth period, their testosterone levels increase 60 times and they become extremely aggressive. In addition, females who are trying to protect their young can become brutal if they feel threatened. Interesting facts: it causes the death of more than 500 people a year. It can especially damage farms and villages. When extremely angry, it can crush vehicles or houses. Buffalo. Why aggressive? Buffalo is a very vengeful and unpredictable animal. Even when injured, it can turn back and attack. When in a herd, they can act together and react deadly to hunters or dangers. Interesting facts: it is nicknamed Black Death. It has been reported that it turns back and attacks even when shot with a shotgun. Many hunters are killed by this animal in Africa every year. 4. Hippopotamus, Hippopotamus amphibius. Why is it aggressive? Although hippos seem calm underwater, they are extremely aggressive on land and in water. They attack when they perceive a threat with their fast, large and strong jaws. They are especially aggressive towards boats and people approaching the water. Interesting facts: they kill more than 500 people a year in Africa. They can reach speeds of 30 kilometers per hour. They can split a crocodile's head in two with one bite. 5. Grizzly bear, Ursus arctos horribilis. Why is it aggressive? One of the largest predators in North America, the grizzly bear can be deadly aggressive, especially when protecting its cubs. It can be aggressive towards animals or humans that approach its feeding area. Interesting facts: it can weigh up to 450 kilograms. It can run at 50 kilometers per hour in seconds. It can kill a large deer or a human with a single blow of its paw. 6. Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris. Why aggressive? Tigers are solitary animals that want to have large areas. They can be aggressive towards any living creature that enters their territory. Injured or old tigers can sometimes directly choose humans as prey. Interesting facts: in India, tigers, known as man-eaters, have attacked villages in the past. They attack by sneaking up and usually kill with a single bite. Some individuals may have killed more than 400 people. 7. Africanized honeybees. Why are they aggressive? Unlike ordinary honeybees, these bees are extremely aggressive and very sensitive to protecting their colonies. They attack en masse when they perceive a threat and can follow for kilometers. Interesting facts. They were produced in a laboratory in Brazil in the 1950s and accidentally released into nature. People can go into shock and die as a result of more than 100 stings. They try to get into hair, ears and nostrils while escaping. 8. Black mamba. Dendrospis polylepis. Why is it aggressive? The most venomous snake in Africa, the black mamba is fast, angry and becomes aggressive if it feels threatened. Unlike other snakes, it can attack instead of running away and inject deadly venom with several bites in succession. Interesting facts: if its venom is not treated, death can occur within 20 minutes. It can grow up to 4 meters. It can move at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. 9. Driver ants Doralus spp. Why are they aggressive? These ants move in colonies and attack and tear apart any living creature they encounter. The scary thing is that countless individuals attack simultaneously. Interesting facts. They can reduce a small animal to its skeleton in 10 minutes in one attack. There are cases in Africa where they attack sleeping people and result in death. They attack even when they are not defending themselves. 10. Deathstalker Scorpion Laeris quinquestriatus. Why is it aggressive? This species, found in the Middle East and North Africa, is one of the most venomous scorpions in the world. Although not directly aggressive, its defensive response is very strong, and it tends to sting immediately when in contact with humans. Interesting facts: its venom can cause severe pain, muscle spasms, and death in humans. It is especially deadly for children and the elderly. Its venom is used in medical research, for example, for monitoring brain tumors.